Hey everyone, today I thought I'd do a video just behind my trade today on gold. I did do a full video breaking down my whole method behind the madness and the live trade behind it, but for some reason the screen froze, so you can see me just double checking the screen. It completely froze, and I did a full 45-minute video of how well this trade was going and talking through it and everything, and it failed. So, but I just thought I wasn't gonna make a video just in case, 'cause I wanted to get the video out today. Wanted it to be quite informative and everything. I thought I'd just do a video on the method behind my madness, how you can do a trade just like this and sort of break down the strategy. It's not going to be as good as the one, but hopefully you guys still enjoy it and appreciate the consistent content. So, the method behind the madness in this trade today. So, gold has broke $4,000, and my whole trading strategy is basically waiting for New York market open, 20 minutes into New York market open, to see which way the market is going, because when New York market open happens, there's a bunch of liquidity coming in from all the American investors who have just woken up. And just at the start of New York session, it was around this bottom region right here. And at the start of New York market open session, just at the 30 minutes, it sort of seems like it could be going for a sell. And that's sort of the way that the market was going. If you wait for 15-20 minutes, you clear most of the fakeouts. On most days, this is how you clear the fakeouts. Sometimes at half an hour on the dot, depending on what it is, depending on the day, it can make the trade that you're looking for. But it depends. Every day is different. So what I'm looking for, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, and I'm using an indicator that just marks out all the highs and lows easily for me. But as you can see right here, this 4030 region was a low for these hour candles, and the highest region was at this 4050 region. So what I was doing was waiting for the price to come down to this level around here, this 4030 region, and then bounce back up to the level of price that it was currently trying to go at the highest in its London session. That's usually what or the trade was going to be, if it was a sell, if it was a short, then it was going to go down here to the 4000 region, the 4010 region. But I knew we were going for a buy today. I thought it was going to breach the all-time highs and this higher high right here, as it is doing right now. I said it in the analysis in the video. It is definitely coming to try and break this higher high. And while I'm recording this video, it most likely will, or it will create a nice, strong support resistance region at this higher high right now. It's either or, but I knew it was coming up for this higher high. As you can see, it's following the same type of swings where it's going up, meeting this region where it can't break, and then going back down to meeting this region where it again can't go any further down. So then it starts to go back up to the region it was at beforehand, and then we'll come down. So what you're trying to do, you're waiting for the entry at either the top of these higher highs or the bottom of these higher lows. So you're just waiting for it to then reach this level of price again. So this was this region, this nice little level of support of 4030. But in the first 15-20 minutes, it looked like it was going for a short. So it went down to 4029. And all that is fakeouts. So I look for the analysis on the hour, then the 5-minute, then go down to 1 minute to find the entry. Now, as you can see right here, as New York market opened at 9:30, you can see it come up to around this region right here, 4038, then carried on coming down. Now, the way I seen it is I just was like, well, there's going to be a lot of fake outs right here because gold is so volatile. It is at its all-time highs, and there's not much support and resistance at this level. So it goes up, comes down, and I'm waiting at this region, and I seen that it was going up again, and I knew that that was going to be another fake out. And usually the fake outs happen within the first 15-20 minutes. And then, if you look on the 15-minute chart, what I was waiting for was the formation of this green candle right here. So when I seen that it was a green candle, and I knew that it's definitely not going any further below after those fake outs, and I'm at the bottom here, on the 15-minute at 9:45 UK time, I seen the start of this green candle, and this is when I entered at $4,029. This was around my entry. And then what I was doing on the 1 minute, because obviously I was looking on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, I knew that it was just going to carry on going upwards, and I was max looking to hold this trade till around 10:30 New York time. And what I was thinking, was that it's going to come up to this region 4,050, and that's where it actually went to if you just look on the price analysis. So I got in and carried on going all the way up, met this level of 4,037, which I was saying in the video was a breaker structure. So I thought the minute that it breaks this level, this breaker structure right here at 4,037, then it's a change of character. It's going to carry on going up, and that's what it did do. But obviously, there was, because gold was volatile, it was meeting these levels of support and resistance and bouncing off it. So I got up to this level right here. I was on a 50k funded account, trying to pass as many funded accounts on Apex Trader funding as possible. If you want to find a futures prop firm accounts, the ones that I've been trading on, then go ahead and click the link in our description below. We review all the best futures prop firms and prop firms in general, so you can make the best choice for yourself. Apex Trader funding and my funded futures are the ones that I've been using the most, but there are a lot of other options that you can go and check out on our website. I was around $1,300 in profit trying to pass this new prop firm account, because on Apex Trader funding you can hold 20 accounts at the same time. So I'm just trying to get as many accounts as possible. And on Apex as well, one of the main benefits behind using it is I believe you get unlimited evaluation reset for $80. So as soon as you pass one prop firm account, then if you fail it, then you can reset it for $80, which is a good deal, because then obviously if you're making a massive trade like I was right here, $1,300, then you can make that back. You don't have to try and pass the prop firm challenge again and pass the evaluation. But it met this level right here, little level of support and resistance, and came crashing down all the way to this region right here, this breaker structure region. And I knew that it was going to hold at the breaker structure region at this sort of change of character. I knew that it was going to hold. As you can see, it sort of went just below it, tried to get some people to, as a fake out, and then carried on going all the way back up. But it met this region right here, this 4,033 region. It couldn't pass at all in the first hour of New York market open. And I'm only trying to hold the trade for the first hour of New York market open. I was trying to get the video done for you guys as well, but obviously it decided to fail on me. But I knew that it was going to break this. I've said on the video multiple times that even if it doesn't do it on the first hour, eventually today it is going to break this, because all of gold, all the people that were waking up in America, seen that gold cleared $4,000 just last night in the Asian time zone as the Asian market opened. So they're going to be waking up to that news, making gold extremely bullish. And eventually it did. So just take out all the emotions that you'd have for you want to make from trading. Focus on the way that the price is moving. It was at this bottom right here, which means it's only going to go up. And because New York market opened at this level, after the fake outs and everything, all it was going to do was keep on pressing all the way upwards. Now, I thought that it was just going to meet a level of support and resistance around this region and just start rattling for a bit, just start staying around the same level, which is what it did. Until literally right now, where it's met the higher high at 4,050, but it's struggling to break it. Literally, I said either it's going to break it or it's going to go to this level and then come back down to this level again. So yeah, just to give you an idea of how much you could have made from this trade, I made $1,300 on a 50k Apex Trader funding account. Well, let's say, for example, this is what I'm now aiming for, to try and get as many of these accounts as possible, get as many payouts, and build my own trading account from the payouts. On an Apex Trader funding account, you would have been able to probably do 10 contracts, and that would have made you $10,000. And the stop loss that I do are pretty tight. Obviously, you can change them however you like, but it's my own strategy because I'm finding the best entries after the fake outs. But yeah, 10 contracts would have made you $13,000. And to pass these accounts, you need to make $30,000. Now, as soon as you make that $30,000, imagine if you then doing trades like this with this strategy every single day on those 300k Apex accounts or whatever account that you want. This is probably the quickest. Just understand this strategy and learn it as much as you can. TGR Trades, absolute GOAT, does a lot of videos on this. Try and just understand this strategy as much as you possibly can, because this is the potential money that it can make. Obviously, this is not financial advice. You have to use risk management properly. And of course, just test this strategy out as many times as possible on a demo account before you even attempt to do a prop firm account. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this, just spitting a lot of trading knowledge. In the next couple of videos, I will be doing the live trading. I will get that sorted so my camera doesn't freeze. We can start to do those live trades. If that's something you guys want, make sure you subscribe for more trading content. Leave a like and comment down below. Is that the type of videos that you want, these live trading videos? Because I want to cater to whatever videos you want from us. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.